Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on and off camera flashlight in oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly scroll up and move to the camera icon. Here you will see click on the camera. Now you will see many options here. So if you want to know about the use of camera flashlight on and off, so firstly on flashlight, here you will see flashlight is off. So firstly turn on camera flashlight, then click a photo in the on flashlight mode. Here you will see a photo is clicked. Here you will see if you want to turn off flashlight, then click on flashlight and off. Here you will see a photo is clicked and here you will see flashlight is off in this way. So I hope this video helps you to know about the use of on and off camera flashlight. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. And if you want to know about any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video.